Now, position yourself at the edge of your seat and get comfortable. The movement here is to tilt the pelvis back and forward and to provide our back with more motion. As you tilt your pelvis forward, feel a mild stretch at the back. Then tilt the pelvis back into a slightly flexed position and repeat. Make sure you don't feel discomfort or pain in any of these directions. The seated pelvic tilt is meant to create movement at the lower back. These joints in your back typically don't get new nutrients to them without good movement. As we sit or stand for a long period of time, the fluid is being squeezed out of the joints. So, by performing this move throughout the day, we help the joints retain more fluid and project the joint while doing so. Now it's your turn. 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.